To use the Absa Bank loan application, start by visiting the Absa Bank website or downloading the mobile banking app. Once you are on the website or in the app, navigate to the Loans section and select the type of loan you are interested in, such as a personal loan or home loan. Next, review the loan requirements and eligibility criteria to ensure you qualify for the loan. This typically includes being a resident of the country, having a minimum income, and being between a certain age range. If you meet the eligibility criteria, click on the Apply Now button and fill out the online application form. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your name, address, employment details, and income. You will also need to upload supporting documents, such as your identification, proof of income, and bank statements. Make sure the documents are clear and legible to avoid any delays in the application process. Once you have completed the application form and uploaded the required documents, submit your application and wait for a response from Absa Bank. This can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the complexity of your application. If your application is approved, you will receive a loan offer outlining the terms and conditions of the loan, including the interest rate, repayment period, and monthly installment amount. Review the loan offer carefully before accepting it, and make sure you understand the repayment terms and any fees associated with the loan. To accept the loan offer, simply click on the Accept button and the loan amount will be disbursed into your account. You can then use the loan amount for your desired purpose, such as paying for education expenses, consolidating debt, or financing a home improvement project. It is essential to make timely repayments to avoid any late payment fees and negative impacts on your credit score. You can set up a debit order or make manual payments through the Absa Bank website or mobile banking app. Throughout the loan application process, you can contact Absa Bank customer service for assistance or guidance. They can help answer any questions you may have and provide support with the application process. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully apply for and manage an Absa Bank loan.